three is you are going to toss that crate straight up as high as you can. And in just a moment, Skylar, Rogue is going to come back out here. I think she flew backstage to check on everybody back there. There she is. Nice job, Rogue. All the way over here. Yeah, there you go, Skylar. Is that a nice birdie for you? Okay, Skylar.